Hello and welcome to our first LeetCode problem. So we will solve as much as we can from LeetCode. If you are interested, you can follow for more. So we are having the first problem. Let's go and check it out. So we are having two sum. We have an integer and a target number, and we are going to check two numbers that they add up to a target, and we're going to display the indexes. For example, we have an example here. We have an array here, and we have a target number, which is 9. So what we're looking for is the two numbers that they add up to 9. For example, we have 2 plus 7, which is 9. So what we are going to display on the screen, or the result that we're looking for, is the index of the two numbers. Okay, the index of 2, which is 0, the index of 7, which is 1. That's what we're looking for. Another example here, we have 3, 2, 4, and the target is 6. So we can approach this problem from different ways. For example, we can say 3 plus 2, which is not equal to 6, 3 plus 4, which is not equal to 6, and 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. But we can also use a hash map. So the first approach is, because we are going 2 times, which is multiple times, which is n multiplied by n, which is the time complexity is O of n square. So we are going to use hash mapping. We are seeing if we can do better, if we can do a solution faster. The only difference is that the hash mapping, you go into 1 time, which is the time complexity is O of n, but of course we're going to use a memory, which is also O of n because of the hash map. So now let's go to coding, and okay, now we are going to do the coding part. So first we need a hash map. So let's call it our map. You can call it wherever you want. After that, we are going to evaluate each element. In Python, we do it like this. Okay, and let's take the value of our array, which is, in this case, it's num. After that, we're going to subtract. Let's call the number, which is our number. Let's take the value of the target minus the end value. So after that, we are going to check if our number exists in our map, okay, in our hash map. So we're going to do conditions. We're going to use if statements. So if our num in our map, so we are going to return the value. If it's true, we're going to return the value, which is the index. So it will be like this, our map, which is the num, the index. If the number is not in our map, after this we are going to do it over. It's going to do it over like n, which is equal to the I. You can say return, but you don't have to, because we know that this solution exists. So, but I will do it anyway. Now let's run the code and see. So we do have an error. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. That's a typing error there. Okay, we have the case 1 accepted, the second one accepted, third one accepted. Now let's submit and see. Let's submit and see. Okay, that's great. We have 59%. That's nice. Okay, that's great. So that's all. And thank you. If you are interested in more coding, yeah, you might want to subscribe. Yeah, see ya.